you want to avoid waking up at age 30 or 40 thinking, "Why didn't I start earlier?" then watch this video till the end. Because today, I am explaining the 5 financial milestones you must hit before age 30 or at least before age 40 if you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap forever. Most people never reach even 2 of these milestones. But the ones who reach all 5, they build wealth automatically. Your future depends on what you learn right now. So let's begin. Milestone 1. Build a bulletproof emergency fund. Most people fail financially not because they make less, but because they aren't prepared for emergencies, a job loss, a medical bill, a sudden family situation. These things don't warn you before they hit. And when they hit, people break financially. The first milestone you must achieve before 30 or 40 is creating a 6-month emergency fund. Start small. Begin with 1 month of expenses saved. Push it to 3 months, and then to 6 months. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, a liquid mutual fund, or a separate bank account. You don't touch this. Is not for vacations, not for shopping, not for small emergencies. This is for real emergencies only. Having this fund gives you peace of mind. The world can shake, but your life won't collapse. Why this milestone matters more than you think. People without savings make desperate decisions. They take bad loans, stay in toxic jobs, and live stressed. But people with emergency money get to choose. Choose better jobs. Choose better opportunities. Choose better lives. Your emergency fund is not just money. It's freedom. Milestone 2. Become 100% debt-free. Debt is the biggest wealth killer, not because of the money you owe, but because of the interest chaining you to the past, before age 30 or 40. Your mission is simple. Destroy all toxic debt. This includes credit card debt, high interest. M is personal loans, buy now pay later traps, lifestyle loans you never needed. Debt is like carrying a heavy backpack in a marathon. You can run, but you'll never reach far. List out all your debts. Pay the highest interest debt first. Stop taking loans for lifestyle purchases. Buy only what you can afford upfront. When you become debt-free, something incredible happens. Your income finally becomes yours again. You stop paying for your past mistakes. You start building your future. The psychological power of being debt-free. Being debt-free doesn't just improve your finances, it improves your mind. You sleep better. You think bigger. You make better decisions. You stop living in fear. This milestone alone can change your entire financial life. Milestone 3. Invest 20 to 30% of your income consistently. You can never save your way to wealth. Inflation will eat your savings alive. The only way to grow your money is to invest. Before 30 or 40, you must build a habit of investing 20 to 30% of your monthly income. Not once, not occasionally. Every single month. Where should you invest? Index funds, mutual funds, blue chip stocks, retirement plans, gold ETFs, real estate later. When stable, even if you start with a small amount, start. Because investing isn't about the amount. It's about the habit. The snowball effect of investing. Think of a small snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's tiny. But as it keeps rolling, it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Your investments work the same way. At first, the growth looks slow. But after a few years, compound interest kicks in. Your money starts multiplying. And that's when wealth really begins. This milestone ensures that by the time you hit 30 or 40, you already have a growing wealth foundation, something most people never achieve in their entire life. Milestone 4. Build multiple income streams. This milestone is the difference between surviving and thriving. No matter how good your job or business is, depending on a single income source is risky. What if the company shuts down? What if the market collapses? What if your industry changes overnight? This is why wealthy people build multiple income streams. not because they are greedy, but because they are smart. Before age 30 or 40, you must create at least one additional income stream. It could be freelancing, a YouTube automation channel, affiliate marketing, a small online business, skill-based services, dropshipping, renting assets, dividends from investments, selling digital products, editing, coding, or design work. You don't need to earn 1 lakh at the start, even 20,000 extra a month is life-changing. Because the moment you earn from multiple sources, you gain freedom, your savings grow faster, your lifestyle doesn't depend on your job, your confidence skyrockets. The power shift that happens when you have more than one income. When you rely on one income, you live in fear. When you rely on multiple incomes, you live with power. You make better life decisions. You no longer panic when something goes wrong. You no longer sacrifice your dreams. This milestone accelerates your entire financial journey. Milestone 5. Achieve complete financial clarity. This is the milestone most people ignore. But the wealthy never do. Most people don't have money problems. They have clarity problems. They don't know how much they spend. They don't know how much they save. They don't track their investments. They don't plan their financial goals before age 30 or 40. You must achieve complete financial clarity. This includes knowing your monthly expenses, understanding your savings rate, tracking your investments, reviewing your finances every 90 days, setting a long-term 10-year roadmap, setting income and career goals, always learning more about money. When you gain clarity, your money starts growing automatically. When you stay confused, your money keeps disappearing. This clarity creates direction. Direction creates discipline. Discipline creates wealth. Final takeaway. If you hit these 5 financial milestones before age 30, or even before age 40, your financial future becomes almost guaranteed. A strong emergency fund, a debt-free lifestyle, consistent long-term investing, multiple income streams, full financial clarity, and planning. These 5 steps will put you ahead of 99% of people your age. You will not just survive financially, you will dominate. Your future self will thank you for taking these steps today. Reach out line if you want more powerful financial videos like this. Follow Money Grind for daily wealth building wisdom. And feel free to reach out anytime if you need guidance. I'm here to help you grow financially.